Edo State Governor Obaseki on Monday 18 September 2023 don lock in Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu for outside, say make the Deputy Governor not enter in office for Government House. Dem lock the gates to the office of the Deputy Governor and the main entrance wey lead to the story building with big padlocks and chains. Shaibu and the aides come sit down and wait for outside for almost 1 hour before he come comot. While im dey wait, Oga Shaibu come talk say im try call the governor tire but he no answer. Na this one come make Oga Shaibu come do talk with the State Commissioner of Police and the Director of State Security Services DSS as to let them know how dem take lock in office make it for no enter.
I come office now and the gate is locked. They padlock the gate. Both the outer gate and the inner one, they padlock and chain it. The governor said they should lock it, that they are using the office for something else. I have not moved to anywhere. Nobody has given me letter to move to anywhere. Nobody has given me letter. So if governor say I have moved, I have not moved. I have not moved. The governor did not give me letter. Nobody has given me letter to move. So how will I move out of my office? I'm here now, the gate is locked and padlocked. So maybe, I don't know. So I call the governor, is not picking. So you call the governor that I didn't move because I didn't get any letter to move. Only the civil servant got letter to move. I'm told that the civil servant were given letter from the office of HOS to move out of this place. For me, I didn't get any letter to move. So I'm here. They should come and open the gate, please. And call the governor that I'm at the gate. They should please come and open the gate.
Shaibu can also call the Government House Camp Commandant Ibrahim Babatunde SP and come ask him why they lock him outside the office. The commandant can't tell Oga Shaibu say na order from above na in them they follow and say make him call the CSO of Government House Williams Waba as na him go fit explain better. Oga Shaibu can't call Williams Waba who promised Shaibu say in the road they come but he no show face at all before Oga Shaibu can finally come out. We could not forget say as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We know they take blame. From Government House Benin City, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.